Hello, my dear students. Welcome to online accountancy class. In this session, we are going to consider a numerical problem from the chapter Death of a Partner, and this is the typical type of problem. Here we can see, like from this problem, like amount paid to the deceased partner representative, that is executor, instead of paying here that legal nominee have to pay some amount because a lot of financial changes is there. Now let's consider this problem. There are three partner X, Y, and Z, and their profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. On 31st March 2018, their balance sheet was as follows. The financial position little bit different here. Cash at bank, it is non-term 1,80,000, stock 1,40,000, non-term Sunday debtors 80,000, building 3 lakhs. What does it mean here? Advance to Y. On behalf of the partnership firm, we have to think like partnership firm provided loan to a particular partner, that is Y. So in these cases, it is an asset of the partnership firm, or it is a liability to that respective partner. So there is a huge amount of liability like arises from the viewpoint of a particular partner. And if you compare here, like here, advance to Y means loan to Y 7 lakh, whereas Y's capital also 7 lakh. Means how much investment made by Y, that amount of loan has taken by the Y. Now, after that, if any incident happened, then what will be the financial position on that particular partnership firm? So that we have to consider. Let's consider more information. Now, one more like profit and loss account, like this is undistributed like loss when it is shown on the asset side, and that is quite high, 3,20,000. On that particular year, that is 2018, there is a huge loss earned, and also loan provided to a particular partner Y. So from here we can like understand that this 2018, the normal situation in the market, no pandemic is there, till the business incurred huge amount of loss, 3,20,000. It is not a matter of joke. Huge amount of loss arises, and that have to bear by the all the partner, including death partner. Now we'll see that who is going to die here, or which partner died here. So this is the information of the asset side, and this is the information of the liability side here. Creditors, bills payable, general ledger, and there are three partners capital X, Y, and Z capital. So that is the total balance sheet figure, 17,20,000, 17,20,000. Now here the death partner is a Y, and death as on 30th June 2018. So here the balance sheet, it is provided 31st March 2018, March, April, May, and June. And there are 3 months later, one partner has been died. So necessary treatment we have to do. Now other term and condition before the death, what was there? Here it is mentioned, the partnership deed provided the following, that if any partner suddenly died, then what will be the solution regarding that, the financial benefit providing purposes here. First information, goodwill of the business was to be calculated on the basis of 2 times of the average profit of the last 5 years. So it is nothing new. Every learner knows how to calculate value of goodwill applying average profit method. Very simple. If profit, then plus. If loss, then that particular year it is minus. So here you can see here on that current year, this current year is previous year actually, on the death year, like 2000 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019, that is the actually current year. So here you can see this is previous year. So 3,20,000, and that is for the year, that is 2017 and 18. Loss, huge loss, which was shown here also. That is, it was undistributed, till it was undistributed loss, not transferred to the respective capital account. So that is the previous year loss here, 3,20,000. And after that, here again we can see profit, 1 lakh profit, 1,60,000 another profit, 2,20,000 another profit, 4,40,000 that is also profit in that year 2014. So descending order, that year wise profit provided here. Now after that, more information. So here that is related to the calculation of goodwill. Very simple way we know how to calculate the value of goodwill. First we have to apply the formula, that is we will calculate average profit. After calculating average profit, we have to multiply by 2. That time we will get the value of goodwill. After getting the value of goodwill, like we have to find out that death partner share, and death partner share, it is provided in the top here 2 is to 2 is to 1. Yes, 2 is to 2 is to 1. So therefore 2 by 5 is the Y share. So after calculating total firm's value of goodwill, we have to multiply into 2 by 5. Then we will get Y share of goodwill, and then subsequently we have to like distribute to this amount of goodwill to the remaining partner in their gaining ratio. Now this is the first related to treatment of goodwill. Second one, Y's share of profit or loss from 1st April 2018 till his death was to be calculated on the basis of profit and loss for the year 31st March 2018. And we have seen already, that is that just that year, like previous year, the partners like death, after that like we can see that the huge losses is there. So 3,20,000. So death partner, instead of getting the profit, he has to bear the loss here. That is under second adjustment, and that will be calculated for the year 2018. So these two major information are there. Now what you have to do, now you are required to calculate the following: goodwill of the firm as well as Y's share of goodwill at the time of his death. If it is not mentioned, then also you have to do. Second one, Y's share of profit, then also if it is not mentioned in this question, then also you have to do. If only C's information is there, like third information, if you have to make Y's capital, that time automatically these two are have to prepare. First adjustment, first instruction and second instruction, both we have to prepare, like calculation of goodwill, calculation of share of profit, as well as any other undistributed profit, any other undistributed losses, all you have to consider. So this is the thing, and like that amount you have to transfer to the executor of the death partner. So here, like first we can consider our working here, like calculation of goodwill. First of all, here this is the working. First working related to the calculation of death partner share. Here it is mentioned the last year profit or loss. We have seen that is last year losses arises 3,20,000. So total loss 3,20,000, and his share retiring death partner share is 2 by 5. So 3,20,000 into 2 by 5. Now death after 3 months, so therefore 3 by 12. So after calculating, if you calculate, it is coming 32,000. So death partner share of losses here, not profit. So opposite entry would be there here, like when profit and loss suspense to death partner. So here entry will be opposite, death partner to profit and loss suspense account, and that will be 32,000. Now after that, goodwill, calculation of goodwill, like first of all average profit. This is the average profit, that is 2018 loss, 2017 profit, 16 profit, 15, 14 profit. So total of this profit and loss, it is if you calculate, it is coming here 6 lakhs and divided by 5. So therefore average is coming here 1,20,000. So we have 1,20,000 average profit, and it is mentioned 2-year purchases of the average profit, that will be firm's goodwill. So therefore here, like 2-year purchases, so 1,20,000 into 2,40,000. Now after the 2,40,000, and thereupon you have to calculate death partner shares. 2,40,000, thereupon 2 by 5, that is coming 96,000, that we have to bear by the remaining partner, that is X and Z, in their gaining ratio. Gaining ratio, it will be 2 is to 1, because here nothing new provided, so this one we will have to cancel. So remaining X is to Z is coming 2 is to 1. So therefore 96,000, if you calculate here, it will come here X amount, it will be 96 into 2 by 3, that is 64,000 and 32,000. So therefore, regarding the goodwill, here will be entry X capital account 64,000, Z capital 32,000, to Y's capital 96,000. So this is the treatment of goodwill. This is the treatment of share of profit, and this is being considered here. That is Y's capital account. Here is a Y's capital account. Opening balance provided Y balance BD 7 lakhs. Here once you can check our old balance sheet. Yes, it is Y's capital 7 lakh. Also loan is there, so it is provided on the asset side. We have to cancel it by crediting here. So Y balance BD 7 lakh. Similarly to loan, that is advance to Y 7 lakh. Now after that, undistributed profit is there. General reserve, here is a general reserve is there. General reserve 60,000 into 2 by 5, it is coming here 24,000. So by balance BD by general reserve. This already I told, that is regarding that goodwill by remaining partner X capital and Z capital 64,000 and 32,000, total 96,000 benefit was provided. So by balance BD opening balance by general reserve by remaining partners capital account. This is the loan transferring entry. Now this one, like to profit and loss account, which was shown in the old balance sheet, that was remain undistributed. If it is shown suppose this side, so generally what we do, now we can pass here by profit and loss account and that death partner's share of profit, just like general ledger type. If it is shown on the liability side by general ledger by profit and loss account, like that way we do. So similarly, if it is shown on the asset side, so it is ultimately loss, so we have to put on the this side, that is his share of loss to profit and loss account 1,28,000, that is previous year, which was remain undistributed, and this is like his share of profit from the last balance sheet till to the date of death. Reverse entry Y's capital account debit to profit and loss suspense account. When profit here is generally you have seen, most of the time you have seen by profit and loss suspense account, by profit and loss suspense account when it is profit. But if loss arises, so death partner have to bear that loss. Ultimately, the nominee will bear, but we have to transfer his capital account. So therefore, it is opposite in the Y's capital account debit to profit and loss suspense account, and the amount is 32,000. Now you have to compare here, like whether Y's nominee or representative will get some amount, or the nominee or representative have to pay some amount. Here, if you compare here, debit side figure is more. Debit side is coming 8,60,000, and whereas credit side is coming 8,20,000. So 40,000 credit side shortage is there. So this 40,000 here shortage is there. So that amount here ultimately it is debit balances arises by balance CD to balance BD. Debit balance is ultimate loss. Generally capital it shows credit balance, and all the time we are doing here two. This side here we are doing like two executor account and balance to be transferred. So that time to like death partner nominee get the amount, but here it is by balance CD amount due from Y, and that is being transferred to his executor. Nominee has to pay in these cases 40,000. So this is the new type of problem here, that sometimes this may happen in case of death of a partner, that instead of getting some amount, the nominee have to bring some amount from their own estate. So this is the different type of problem and a specific type of problem I have considered today, and I think so it will clear, because I said each and everything in details. Once more, learner have to recapitulate this thing. I think so this will help a lot to solve this type of different type of problem. Now I'm going to conclude this session here. Numerical problem solution. This is our different type of problem. We already explained in details. Okay, we are going to conclude this session. Thank you very much.